Interphone Link can be connected to your smartphone by Bluetooth. Let's see how to pair them. First, press the power button until it flashes red and blue. Turn Bluetooth on your phone. After a few seconds, the device in search will show the name of Interphone Link. Select this item. If a PIN or code is required, use 0000. The voice guide will confirm the connection with the message "Pairing successful, connected to the phone." Interphone Link will then enter in standby mode. Confirm the interphone request access to the phone book. This procedure only needs to be carried out the first time the devices are connected. If you want to pair a second device, repeat the procedure. Pairing is necessary only once, then your intercom will automatically recognize the device already paired.